Example problem 3 asks us for the electron configuration of titanium. So if we go to the periodic table of elements, we can see that titanium is element number 22. It's going to be in that D block. Going to the electron configuration table here, we found it again at 22, and we're ready to start writing the electron configuration. So again, remember, when you're talking about S and P blocks, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, when you get to this D block, which is from here to here, this actually begins 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's very important to remember. So starting the problem, we have 1s2, so that handles this row. Now we go on to the second one. 2s2. We jump over here to the P block. So this is going to be 2p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we go on down to the third row. 3s, 1, 2. Keep going over. 3p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we jump down to 3D. So we do these in numerical order. We do the 1s and the 2s and the 3s. So this is going to be 3D because we're in the D block here now. 1, 2. And then we go back here to 4S, 1, 2. Now I have seen people do it just like a book. So they would put 4S2, 3D2, and that's not incorrect. However, most chemists are in the habit of saying all the 1s together, the 2s together, the 3s. And when I say that, I mean this number in the front. And so you can see here how mine go in numerical order. If you do happen to reverse the 2 right here, I will not take points off for that since this is a 1310 course. So this is the full electron configuration for titanium. Again, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d2, and 4s2. Let me know if you have any questions with example problem 3.